school. I'm out of school now. Well, I don't know when you're going to see this because I have so many videos to post. Because right now I'm filming 3 of all my fidgets, but this will be uploaded after all the other parts. So I'm going to put 3 will upload today. I think there's like 6 or 7 or 8 parts. Anyway, I got a new top. I really like it. But I'm going to show you some of my fidgets. I don't know what part this is, but I will know when I'm uploading it. The ones I got downstairs. And my room's a mess because I have to keep all the fidgets I already showed you out, and I haven't filmed since. I haven't filmed another part in 5 days. So, first I got this water snake, but it's fuzzy. Oh gosh, and it has a unicorn. And the next side is a koala. It's at a Walmart, and it's really fun to play with. Then I have, I almost fell over. Because I have to go downstairs, because I have some of it down here. And I have 2 of the same puppets, but I'm not a beast puppet. I went to my birthday for it was a field trip, but it was on my, so I'm flying, it was on my birthday, but also, it's so hot outside. Oh my gosh. Because yesterday I went to a craft show. I have to show you some of the things I have. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. This is so good. Okay. Then, this I also got at the same time I got a water snake. These have been down here for so long, I feel like. I have 2 of these suction ones. I have this pretty tiny one and a pink one. They're so fun to suction on stuff and pull off. I love them. I'm going to clean it upstairs soon. I got this yesterday at the craft show. Thank you. I can get it out. Okay. This is cold. Okay, I got a strawberry, and it has little, like, but it has little, like, raindrops on it, and it's a pretty good poppet. And, okay, I'm going to show you the other one. First I need to let my dog out, and then I'm going to try something. So, okay, there we go. Here's my dog. Okay, there we go. Then I also got this, the big, like, poppet. And so one poppet, anyone who had a big bin would be $3, and you could get 2 for $5. So I got this 2 for $5. Like, that's amazing. And this one's so big too. It's the bad side's pretty bad, but not that bad. And the good side's really good. So I'm so happy I got these. I'm just hurting so much. Literally, I'm gonna. I'm so glad school's over for me. And also, thank you for 200 subscribers. We're definitely gonna have a 200 subscriber party. We might already have one. I don't know when it's getting uploaded. So don't ask me that. I set y'all in the bin. The fidget. I don't have any wet. This one, it comes with a little key. I've never actually opened it. So I'm going to do that right now. So it's a nice texture. It has a little heart with a key going through it. It's nice, and then I can put the little key in it, and it will be like unlock. I'm going to just keep it in here because I don't want them to get separated. I should put you in the back. Don't be dramatic. And then too. It's very fun. You have this little, I can open it. This kinetic like sand, but it's not sand. It's like in slime. So it's like different. And it smells. And I have one of these puzzle balls, which I don't like. Where's the one that starts? There's one that you can only move one and then you can keep moving more out. And I can't find which one that is. What is happening? It's yellow. Take it out. Then I have this orange Nido. Got this with my cousin. We all wanted matching ones. And then I don't know why this is in a container, but I have a spike ball. So fun to play with, I guess. I don't really like spike ball that much, but I still like it. And I have this, and it's like, I think Among Us thing, and it says push, and then 2 Among Us people on the bottom. It's dimple. And I have this teddy bear poppet, and it's textured, and it's a really nice poppet, actually. It's on a keychain. And I have a thick, big old monkey noodle. Then my friend made this homemade one, and you like, what? I think it broke. What happened? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, you like pull it on and off or something. I don't even remember how to do that. So that's my friend's. Then we have an L poppet and E. It came with a love. I said a love, but see here's a V. I think I already took the O out and put it out later. We have this red pop tube. We have this little heart fidget spinner and an acupressure ring. And we have this little maid thingy. I have this homemade snake a friend made for me. And then I have a poppet ball. This homemade fidget, it's actually really fun. You take like tape and you bring it up and down. It's actually not that bad of a fidget. Probably the best one that my friend makes. And another one of these, like, just move it along. And I have some slime. And then this. It's like, my friend got it from me. It's called a hoopy loopy. It comes with a little ball. You put in it and then you just, but you just put it in and then you, I keep dropping it. You put it in the hoopy loopy and you just spin it really quick. Got it for me for Christmas. Okay, well, I have one other fidget, but I keep it out of my bin because I had a bunch of them and they all popped except for this one. So I keep it out of my bin because I was hoping there's maybe something in my bin popped it. Wait, it's this, but there's no water in here. It's literally just air. Yep, it popped. The last one popped. That's sad. Bye, guys.